Hey again, we did complete the login part for our Twitter. Now what I want to do, I want to design layout for tweets and display tweets here. So to get started, I need to go to my application and this one, which is this application. And from this application, I have to make sure this my layout, add inside it list view. So because it doesn't make any sense for me to use constraint and I'm only using list view, so I would use linear layout. Okay, as I told you, why? Because it doesn't make any sense for me to use it and with the list view. So look for list view, okay, and bring it and add it inside this one and make it full screen. So this one, this is my list view, match parent. This one should be horizontal or vertical, I don't care, whatever, they are same for me. But going back to this one, you know, it is better to use specific color from the colors that I have them here. So the preferred color is this one, white background. So going back to this page, main page, and preview it, and I would use Android background color, and I said, which is what we suppose, ups at color slash this color. I would use this color because I want to show you how it is works. So this is first step. Do you remember we already did something named background as a ship? So I could create ship also here again. So you know how to do that. Just draw a resource and name it background. Ground in this way. Background. So this one will be just to remember. If you don't remember, you have a selector, and inside the selector you have a ship, and wait a second, ship in this way. Okay, so maybe it's not selector, maybe it is ship director. You say, hey, this one is ship, and this ship you can still getting this layout as a design. Or this XML as Android, and you define it as a ship. You say Android ship, you define it as a rectangle, and you give it a specific background color. For example, I say the salt color, all the color will be Android color. You want to give it the white one that we have it, like white, complete white. You know what the white already add color what you have it in the colors. Then you add corners for this one. You say, hey, I have to use corners, and this corners will be the radius for this corners. I would give it 5 dB. Is a dB another use it for a measuring unit. And I have padding. You know, padding, I have 4 part of padding, left button, give it 5 dB for all them. So 5 dB, 5 dB, yeah, yes, 5 dB. This video is just designing video, so yes, this is my background. Now I want to have a tickets, so I have to have 2 tickets. First ticket should be for just XML resource. I name it add ticket, and the second one for a news ticket. So add ticket is really basic ticket. Just you design it to have a tweet. I just have it already designed, so I don't need to design it, which is this one. It's not just simple XML and simple things. We did this thing a lot. So this is for add. You just very simple linear layout. This linear layout, if you look to it, if you want to make it bigger to see it's larger, so you see I have linear layout. Inside my linear layout I have a vertical layout. Vertical layout have post, the person could write something here, and I have another linear layout have 2 things, which is this button, you click on it, or this one you click to attach, and I have this one when he done. So and you just see I added padding. We discussed this thing. Oh, I don't need to do it again. So this is I needed this ticket to enable add, and also I need another ticket for showing the tweets. So I add resource file. I name it tweets ticket. Okay. This should hold information about tweets, and also I will not design it. This is already I have it implemented. So you could access to the code that we have it in the GitHub and see how it's implemented. It's not something difficult, really basic thing. You see it, you just do it in this way. You have linear layout have, if you just minimize this one, you see maximize this one. You have a linear layout. Inside linear layout you have this linear again, vertical have three things: this name, data, and picture. If you believe the name have to go first, the picture have to go first, then the name, then the picture, then the name, then the date. Do it in this way. And this one I think takes direction for this username should goes in different way. So if you see here is the text direction. Why? Because if you go here, which one he selects this one. I think I added the text direction to the right, gravity, padding, bold. Where is the text direction? I think right. I think if I check it left, yeah, the gravity. Let's change it to the left. You're done. Specific picture. I think just add specific picture. I say I see, whatever. Maybe home. If you just show it for the test. If you want to get that user, you remember we already have a picture for the user, which is person. So it's better to use the person one, just for the ticket. Well, it doesn't make any sense, and just for making our work more professional. So I hear you saying image. I say person, which is represent a person. So yeah, this is again the ticket for the tweets. So you have the person name, image, the data time for the post, what he posts, and the image, and you could add love or not. You see, this is the design. As I told you, you could go to GitHub and see all these things. Now I have two tickets, and I have my main activity. We know when I talk about tickets, I need to think about first thing I have to have a class for holding the information about the ticket. So I say class. I will name it ticket. Okay, and this ticket, what do you think it will have? Let me just name it class ticket, and this ticket should have a constructor, and this constructor get number of information. What information you believe we need to have? We need to have the tweet ID, okay, which is, I suppose here it is string, and it is not null, whatever, and you need to initialize it. I need number of properties. Let me pass them: tweet ID, tweet text, tweet image, person ID. This is all the information I needed. That other information will be generated through the code. So I need to have tweet ID, I need to have a tweet text, I need to have tweet image URL, and also I need to have a tweet person UID, because it will be inside the tweet. When someone posts, I will have this information. So this information will get just initialized here as input for this function. When someone wants to create array list, so he will see this information and make sure this information is initialized here. So a tweet, I say hey, this dot tweet, I call a tweet, and tweeters, I say this dot tweets, whatever, I call tweets text. This one should be this dot this one, call this one, and this one should be this dot this one, call this one. So just you create the ticket. So now I have the ticket. I could go to the main activity, and I just as a start point, as a demo, we don't have anything like dump data, dummy data. I suppose I have two elements. I have array list. I suppose I have variable list a tweet, which is array list of a tweet, of ticket, sorry, and I just add element inside this one for in this array list. So tweet dot add, I add ticket, and I have some information. ID, let me suppose 0, text hi, and the image whatever URL, and the person. What? I think for information to pass, and the person UID. For now, I would use this one for the person UID. I use it to target which type of ticket I want to use. So I would say if it is add, that is mean this person is for this ticket for loot the add ticket. If this one is, for example, whatever Hussein or any name, use that, so use another type of the ticket. Now I have this one. Where's the list view? Remember we have here a list view. You just give it ID, Android ID, and you could give it list view tweets. Okay, and I said, hey, I have list view tweet here. In the main activity. Why? What? I think I did define what I need in that class. I have to define it in the main activity. Yes, always there is error, and make sure this one will be here, not there. So yes, this is now my class. Now I want to have a list view. I have to define adapter. So we need to have adapter. I will not rewrite adapter that I already implemented before. Do you remember before when we did a Note app? We did adapter, and that adapter have all the information. So I don't think we need to rewrite that adapter again. But yeah, I just have it already. So let me just bring it from that class and we do some update in it. So going here, this is my adapter. I name it here my tweet adapter. Tweet adapter. It should inherit base adapter. Okay. Also here I have list of a tweet. So also you will learn how to this of ticket. You will learn here also how to work with this thing. So I have context, how to update the code. I get list of tweets, I pass them, I'm good here. So here I have a view I'm interested in, I will work on it. Group P, just let me make sure to update it. This part I don't need to update. I think I will do update only in this part of a view. So you remember here I get the ticket. I will not get the ticket here. I will just move it down below this one. Because I have two tickets now, and every time I need to load different type of ticket. Maybe I will load add, and maybe I load this one. So how I do that? I say, hey, wait a second. I say if my note will be my tweet now, tweet. Okay. I say if my tweet dot the person, which is a tweet person, because we pass it. A tweet person should be the fourth one, I think. Yes. And we pass it here in the loop, and we pass it here tweet person, we pass it add. So if this add, load add ticket for me. So if this one dot equal to add, that's mean add ticket. Load add ticket, and do process whatever you want later on. Else I say load it with ticket. Okay, and do process whatever to want to do work. So I would just remember, I just need to update here. You remember we just get here layout inflator, same thing, you get it here, but here you get which ticket you get? You get this ticket, add ticket. So make sure you load here add ticket. And I don't have anything to do now with add ticket, just return it when I'm done. Okay, return it. What? Oops. Yeah, sorry for this message. So I just get defining my inflator. So if the add, load this ticket. Else load another ticket, which is tweet ticket, which is this one. Tweet ticket, and also again return that view for me. So either or load this one or this one. So now you no longer need this code. So you could remove them anymore. So and you don't need this one. So so you get the element that coming. If it is add, load this ticket. If it not add, load that ticket, and that is. So as much as element you have it, you will load either this one or that one. So if you just add 3, hold it 3 that one and 1 add. Now I want to define my adapter. I just have this adapter for now. So just create an instance from it. I say, hey, variable adapter equal instance of the adapter. I send this to it, and I said here I define my list view. So list view, I think list view tweets dot adapter equal this adapter, and I'm done. I think this array will get also the tweets as initial value, and it is better to move this one to the top so you will be able to access to it from the different places. So it should be my tweet, because maybe we need it later on in different places. So make sure just give it here as initial value for nothing and use it here, because we maybe need to update it later on. So yes, now if I just run it in my device, I would see the two tweets, one for add, one for not add. Why? Because only one have add, 3 doesn't have add. If you just go to the adapter, what adapter do, see, you just have this one. I have some errors, mgview. I could add any picture for now. I think I use the Twitter here, tweets. Sorry to use this one, tweets for now, just for testing. And also I have this one. Yes, I think only that one. Just image I added, and then my img view. He wasn't able to read it. I just replaced it with this image, so he will be able to show me this image. So now I didn't do anything, just designing. So I will not go and repeat many work. I did it 100 times. Design. You already know how to design this layout. If you don't, just go on previous videos or see the code in the GitHub. So waiting for seconds, and let me see if we are able to see the ticket. If we are, that is good. We could go to the next step. If not, we need to fix that problem. So basically go here. Yes, so if I just open, see, this is my application. If you see first ticket, if you see it here, he just show me this type of ticket. I could write inside it, while other tickets is just the one for load. So now I think I'm good to go. So let's go to next video.